All right, guys, look at this bait stealer that I just got. Let's get him measured up as soon as I can find my damn ruler. I hear it. Ugh. 12 inches with a pinch tail, guys. 12 inches with a pinch tail. You know where he's going. Back to the truck. Well, I should say car. Let's get him off. They are strong too. He stole like 4 or 5 sand fleas until I got him. Let's go put him in. Nice one, guys. Yeah, he took, like I said, like 5 sand fleas till I got his behind. That's a nice one. But yeah, I get that bump board today, which is cool, so I don't have to play this game with this damn ruler anymore. So that's that. Look at Mullet over there. Thinks he's gonna get some seconds today. It's wet out. He's not getting anything. I hate to say that, but that's what it is. All right. Oh, there's Mullet. Believe that, getting his paws wet, and it's raining out, and he's outside. Now the sheepy, guys. He's a little guy though. Okay, get it out of your system.
What is that? Pinfish?
Black and white?
I don't know. I can't see it.
It's black and white.
I don't know what that is.
That means it's a sheep's head. Yep. Oyster toadfish. Gotta watch out, they got spines over here that'll get you. Bombs away on him. Hey guys, that's our video for today. I'm a little bit tired of the rain. Don't get me wrong. It's not snow. But my shoes got wet. I forgot to put my dock boots on. So, had the frog togs. Had some nice sheep's head. Now it's time to go. It's 10 o'clock. I got things to do. So, thanks a lot for stopping by. And we'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care.